Welcome back to another video. We got the Chevy Trail Boss 1500 edition. Okay, it's gonna go across cup edition, but you see that right there sticking out? Those arms, strong arms, tow mirror upgrade. Actually, here's a kicker for you. Those are the same ones that's on the Chevy 2500 series. Yes, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I did it, how much it cost, and what was the process. Now, I just want to take another look. Those are the old mirrors. You barely can see anything. Now, they had the little corner on the drive room, so you can see a little bit more, but it's not enough, all right? It's not enough. I pulled a RV travel trailer, equipment trailer, this Carolina Skiff, if you haven't seen that, it's on the channel. I needed more. I couldn't see anything. Oh, there we go. Look at it coming out the door. Yes, already looking different, looking strong. I mean, my old truck, it had the tow mirrors. I had to get it back. But take a link. Here's a link at the top for that. There you go. Look at that. I see automatically. I see different. That's the passenger side. I'm finna go in depth with these. Hold on. So that's a metallic black plastic. You know, everybody know about the metallic black plastic. Okay. I imagine after a couple of years it's gonna fade. I don't know. Stay tuned. In a few years I'll put your video up. Give me a year. I'll put a video up on that. Just see how that's going. But hey, come on. Does it look good or does it not look good now? Come on. At the bottom, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right. When I tell you the price, let me know if you think if it's worth it or not. But hey, if you get in an accident because you can't see what you're pulling in the back, it's always gonna be worth it. All right. 4 years before you get your insurance, go back down, then you're in an accident. You don't want to hurt yourself or hurt anyone else. So here we go. Now, let's go a little bit more in depth on these mirrors. Okay. Let's go in depth. Now, 16 inches that's where my old mirror used to sit, right down the edge. You didn't get anything right there. But from here to here, end to end, 16 inches. So automatically I'm 16 inches out to the left and to the right side. So I'm already seeing better, all right? A little chrome right there, and that's the light. All right, so this is the other side, okay? Check it out now. Check it out. They didn't put in too much over here. Look, pop in. Now, this took me a little learning to do. Watch this. Hold on. Gotta get the thumb right. It was all in the thumb pressure. Boom. Pop out. Let's do it again. Pop in and whoop, pop out. Now that bought me another 3 inches. 3 inches when you're torn, you can't see, that's a lot. Now, how did I get this done? I went to the Chevy accessory website. I dropped down, put my year, put my make, and I put my VIN in. They got all kinds of accessories. Wheels, performance, cargo, interior, exterior, whatever you need. Try to make it one of a kind, to give it that little splash, make it yours, whatever you want to do, you do it. Sign in. Make a count, whichever one come first. Once you're done all that, you scroll, all right? You scroll, and you keep scrolling, and what do you get? You get the extended view tow mirrors. Yes, the 5.3 VA edition. Yes, that's what I got. Okay, check it out now. Now, the bad thing is if you have one of the Chevys that has that blind spot detection, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to get these, all right? So you're out the game. You can watch to the end, but you don't have to take my word for it. It's right here. Actually, these are $730 mirrors. That's just the mirrors. If you keep reading, there's actually a wire harness that you need to call the dealership for because you have to get it calibrated. And it tells you right there if you can get these on your vehicle or not. The wire harness is actually $150 per mirror. And the reason why they sell it separate and don't sell it with the kit, you ever get in an accident, you may not need the wire harness. You may just need the mirror. You ever get in an accident, you may not need both sides. So they sell it separate. The wire harness anyway, as far as I understand it. But the mirrors, they were $730 together, plus the wire harness. When it was all said and done, and see, I get a warranty. I get a 12-year warranty, 12,000 miles. I'm sorry, 12-month warranty, 12,000 miles. Whichever one come first, you know how they go. Here's some questions that people kept asking, and Chevrolet took some time out and they answered them. You tell me. Yes, they do come heated. They got the heated for the snow. Now the extended part, like you've seen, I had to do that on my own. But the mirror out in, as far as the lens of the mirror, that's all automatic. The mirrors do have the lights on it, so that's why you need to. So the wire harness was actually for the lights, and these are the old wire harness that was on the other ones. And all they really did was make sure you went in and out. And they had to take this much wire. That's the part number. Now, when I got this installed, I actually ordered the wrong wire harness. This is the right wire harness. The reason why they ordered the wrong was because they ordered the basic ones, and these are the right ones. All right. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is the big box that the extended mirrors came in. Right here. This is the big box. Now, they came like this. I got it sent straight to the dealership. And there you go right there. $799 out the door with taxes. All right, that's just for the mirrors now. These are the old mirrors. This is one to see up close what the one of these old mirrors look like taking off. Look how much smaller it is compared to the other one. Like, look at that. That's a baby mirror. I couldn't see anything out of them either. I couldn't. I just immediately when I got back from towing that last time, I said I gotta get better mirrors. That's just how they look. 4 bolts hold them in. The best thing about it is they only charge you $88 to get it put on. Let's hold them side by side. Check them out now. Look at that. Come on. That's like comparing a boy to a man. Check it out. Look at it. All right. This is like almost dark, but not really dark. All right. This is that. Look at it. They got the lights on the mirror. Check it out now. Check it out. I ain't gonna lie. That mirror is huge. All right. Like I say, it's really the Chevy 2500, 3500. And going on up. This is that mirror, okay? This is for the bigger truck. It looks good, though. It does. It looks good. It works. It didn't stop my warranty. I'm going to be able to see better. And I can't lie. I like the lights, okay? Now, if you would... My edition didn't have the lights on the little mirror, okay? But some of the guys and gals that have the Chevys, if they have the little one, they would expect just a little extra. They have the light on the mirror, on the back side of the mirror. Mine didn't, so okay, so I didn't have that. But this mirror is way better than that anyway. All right, because not only do I have turn signals on the front, but I haven't even showed you the best part yet. So hold on 1 second. Let's play the turn signals. So I got turn signals on the front, flashers, whatever you want to call it. They're on the front, okay? So they're going to see me coming from the front. Now, let's get to the back, okay? In the back, right there to the right, you see it. Hold on, let's go to the driver's side. I want you to see the driver's side. A little closer for the button for me. Driver's side, right or to left, LED light. That is 2 LED lights, and they are bright. Don't take my word for it, because I'm finna show you how bright they are. Just hold on. They are bright, all right? And the best part about it, when you put the vehicle in reverse, those lights come on. Come on now. I'm torn. I got a bigger truck. I need to see. Look at it. Look at how it's shining on the door in almost dark. It's like 45 minutes away from being dark out here. Sun went down. These mirrors you can turn on. You can turn these lights on also by hitting the button in the inside. And the same button that tells the tail end of the truck to come on so you can see your cargo, they'll make these come on. Because if you're trying to see cargo outside, you need to see these too. So there you have it. $1,100 out the door to get this done. And hey, painless. Stay tuned for the next.